Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Chime stop recognizing your Face ID and now asks for your full email and password every single time? Or does Face ID get stuck on hand wave animation? This fix is on your phone settings. So, first go to your settings app, then search for Face ID and Passcode. Now enter your iPhone's passcode when prompted. Scroll down to the section called Other Apps. This shows every app currently allowed to use Face ID on your device. Scroll through and find Chime. If the toggle next to Chime is gray and off, tap it to turn it on. If it's already green but it's still not working, tap it off and then back on to fully reset the permission. Now force close the Chime app from your recent app by swiping it away, then waiting for a few hours and then reopening it. Face ID should prompt automatically. If you're getting stuck on the wave animation after Face ID specifically, then go to your settings app, then go to general, then iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps and then find Chime, tap Offload app and then reinstall it fresh from App Store after you upload it. This clears the corrupted data authentication case that causes the exact hand wave freeze. So all you gotta do is go to your settings, then Face ID and Passcode, find Chime, toggle on, offload and reinstall if stuck on hand wave. Face ID will be working in Chime again and that's it. Subscribe.